Yo, what's going on? I'm Santos with Toxic Shocks, and today I'm gonna be bringing you a fly ass custom. So stay tuned, man. Watch the video all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, man. If you're gonna support your boy, man. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, watch the video all the way to the end, because it's gonna be real special, man. I promise you that. And when I'm done with this video, listen, man, I'm gonna bring you another one. And after that, I'm gonna bring you another one, and another one, and another one. I'm gonna keep those bangers coming, man. I promise you, man, this is what I'm gonna start doing. So if you wanna learn how to get these customs done, just watch, man. Watch my videos. Know what I mean? So like I said, stay tuned, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get it. Let's go. Let's see what I need today. Guys, before I go any further with any more masking, let's clean these up. Let's get this glaze off of these. So remember what I said, 90% of the work is prep. And believe me, you're gonna prep sneakers for hours and hours to paint for just a few minutes. So remember, your prep work is everything. So let's get this. Let's get it. Here we go. Like I said, I'm using a pure 100% acetone, and I'm gonna be deglazing everywhere where I plan on putting paint. I'll start with the toe box. finally finished all the touch-ups. Now I'm gonna be taking off the masking. Let's see what it looks like. So far, you see the little burning edges, the little cinder, like burning paper. Let's lace them up. Alright, now I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And share with your friends. If you really want to support my channel, share with your friends. And leave a comment and let me know what kind of custom you guys want next. I'm out. Later.